The last couple of winters have been really tough. Are you ready for a different 2022? Hi, I'm Michael Kerman, president of Leading Edge Seminars, and we've curated an amazing travel and learning experience for mental health professionals. The planning starts now for your winter 2022 retreat at the Dreams Jade Resort and Spa, just a half-hour away from the Cancun airport. This is an opportunity for a sunny getaway while growing your clinical skills. Your choice of 9 different trainings over 4 weeks with some of today's psychotherapy visionaries. Now your mornings will be spent with our faculty, offering their latest ideas to apply to your clinical practice. Leaders in the field of trauma treatment and expressive arts therapy, including Leisha Skye, Bessel Vanderkook, Janina Fisher, Lisa Ferentz, Resilience and Self-Compassion with Ron Siegel, developer of a dynamic approach to individual therapy, Diana Fosha, high-impact couples therapy with Terry Reel, or digging into internal family systems with Frank Anderson, and powerful new techniques for EMDR practitioners with Roy Keesley. And after our trainings are done at midday, you're free to relax. Enjoy the beach, the pools, the first-class dining options and other great facilities at the Dreams Jade Resort and Spa, and visit some of the area's many local attractions. Are you ready to learn more? No problem. Visit leadingedgecancun.com for more information on how you can join us in February 2022.